Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to make paper clay using toilet paper. This is the easiest method I know. First, I soak the paper in water. After a few hours, I stir it well to break it down. Then I squeeze out all the water. I tear the pulp into small pieces. And mix it with white glue. Be generous with the glue. It helps the clay hold its shape and keeps it from crumbling. In the next video, I'll show you how I made a large storage box. For the base, I used a cardboard box. I wrapped it in plastic wrap and started applying the clay mixture on top. This will just be the base of the future box. It needs to be made separately and fully dried. This kind of clay takes about a week to dry. Once dry, it becomes super strong, like really strong. So far, I've already used 11 rolls of toilet paper for this box, and I'll probably need 3 to 5 more. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video.